bed for 4 months.
And she wants a dog to keep her company, doesn't she?
Yep.
She's never had a
There's dog
dog.
right here.
There he is. What kind of dog is that?
Teacup Yorkie.
And he how old is he right now?
16 months old?
No, 13 weeks.
13 weeks.
And he'll weigh about how much when he gets fully grown?
4 pounds?
About 4 pounds. You think she's gonna like him?
Yeah.
I think so too. Grandma, we brought a surprise for Princess Bree.
What are you doing? No! MJ, what are you doing? Oh my God! You say hi?
Hi, Tammy.
Hold on.
Hi. What are you doing?
Hey, Pa, wait. Put her in here, Papa, here.
We bought Princess Bree a present. For Princess Bree?
Wait.
So big!
I know. That's Bree's. MJ bought it with her own money.
Oh, you're look. Wait, send me. Look here, Vanessa. Wait.
Grandma's so excited.
I know. Here. Good. You don't want to get this doll. Wait.
Hey, we brought a surprise for you.
Sammy, wait.
What? Puppy.
It's for you.
What is that?
I get to keep it?
Yes, it's for you.
Who bought it? MJ. MJ bought it with her own money for you. What
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that a good surprise? That's MJ. She bought the dog for you.
Y'all been before, but it's been a
Long time ago, when you were a little baby.
Yeah, you two guys were pretty young.
Bree, what do you think?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Huh?
But stick out and give her.